Miss.
Isa po, Team Steven versus Team Jmar. Team Steven, Edward Flores, Jomar Monsan, Steven Mabora, Angelo Pierre, JM Palaroan versus Team Jmar, Malate, Malto, Pineda, Aaron at Soliman.
Bola.
Bola po.
Pasir. Tayo sa amin yan eh.
Start na po.
Tayo pa yata siyempre. Tayo sa amin sa taas. Lalim yan. Lalim.
Postcard, kaya ano kaya kay CJ Mark ba niya?
Ano gagawin? Ipaalam natin.
Next game alam mo na, para makakita.
Next game, Team Sean versus Team Willie. Next game. Start na po. Palaroan. Doggy, Viva by Concepcion. Out of bounds. Team Steven, 1. 3, Doggy, Viva by. Steal by Inalisan. Doggy, Viva by Jmar. Pass to Malate. 15 seconds to shoot. Jmar. Pass to Malate. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Good ball. Oras, 9 minutes and 20. Palaroan. Pass to Javier. Javier, pass to Palaroan. 10 seconds to shoot. By jersey number 22. 12 seconds to shoot. Palaroan. Pass to Mabora. Short jumper. No good. Three for one. Jmar na naman. Jmar goes to host. Jmar side step po. Jmar. No good. Three for by Steven. Mabora. Steal by number 5. Blocked by Flores. 18-43. Inalisan. Pass to Palaroan. 2 points. DM Palaroan. 2-0. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Nugget, lima pa number 0 again, 2 points. Number 0. Angelo, Pierre. Out of bounds. Good ball. Next game, Team Sean versus Team Willie. 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Paso number 23, Luber shot, no good, 3-5. 3-5, Jmar, pero nakuha ng open, no good pa rin. To Steven nagbawa ng bola, Steven, no good, 3-5, Flores, steal pa Malate, goes to host, Malate, what a move to boys, Malate. 4-2 in favor of Team Jmar. Jomar taking 3. Jomar Inalisan. Change favor 5-4. 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Marco, crossover move. Marco, layup, no good, 3-5. Palaroan making his move. Palaroan pa rin. Palaroan, pass to Inalisan. 2 points. Jomar Inalisan. Assist by Ian Palaroan. 7-2 by 7-4 in favor of Team Steven. Malate. 13 seconds to shoot. Jmar short jumper. 2 points. Jmar Pineda. 7-6 in favor of Team Steven. Pasu. 15 seconds to shoot. Mabora. Pass to Palaroan. Palaroan, Pinoy step. No good, 3-5. Nakuha pa ni Inalisan. No good, 3-5. Marco. 6 minutes and 24. Steal. Nakuha ni number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal again. Javier making 3. No good, 3-5 Marco. 6 minutes and 9. Malto, 15 seconds to shoot. Malto crossover move. Pass to Pineda, 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Pineda na naman. Logo Pineda pa rin. Rebound by Palaron. Palaron. Nauna si Inalzan. 2 points. Jomar Inalzan. 9-6. In favor of Team Steven. Out of bounds. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Flores taking 3. Nugget, rebound by number 0. Grabe number 0. Pass to Malto. Nugget, rebound by Mapora. Steven. Steven. Ano tawag?
Foul.
Wow. Good ball. Good ball. Last possession before change. Last possession. Score, game 6 pa rin. Pineda, pass to Malto. Is to Malate. 10 seconds shoot. Malate sa ilalim. Change score na po. Malate, 9-8 in favor of Team Steven. 9-8 in favor of Team Steven. 3. Jomar Inalzan. Well played. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Manto, crossover move. Manto. What a pass to Panlate taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 0 sa ilalim. Number 0. 2 points. Number 0. Well played. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Pass to Inalzan. 15 seconds shoot. Javier taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 0 naman. Number 0 crossover by number 0. Steal by Inalzan. Pass to Palaron. Palaron. Steal by Malate. Grabe stealan. To J. Mark. Pinalik to number 0. 2 points. Deadlock all 12. Deadlock all 12. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Mabora to Inalzan. Taking 3. 3. Jomar Inalzan. 15-12. 15 seconds to shoot. Malate. Pass to Malto. 9 seconds to shoot. Steal by Inalzan. 3 minutes and 10. Now it's Javier. Not good. Rebound by J. Mark. J. Mark. Next game, Team Sean versus Team Will. Pass to Malto sa ilalim. 2 points. Malto. 15-14. So Jomar. Short number ni Jomar. No good. Rebound by Malate. 15-14. In favor of Team Steven. Steal by Inalzan to JM. Palaroan. 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 No good. Rebound by. Steal by Javier. 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 No good. Out of bounds. Score 15-14 in favor of Team Steven. 1 point lead lang po. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Good ball. Steal by Inalzan. Last 2 minutes. Sa inyo ng Congress Field. Saan maraming mangga. 1 minute 54. J-Mark. J-Mark. Side step of J-Mark.
Wow!
2 points. J-Mark Pineda. Change favor. Out of bounds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Malbora. Pass to Flores. Taking another three. Three! Edward Flores. He takes 16 to 14. 2.85 in. Three! Number 0, James Paymore. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Pila naman, Kobe, Timo pa, number 0 na naman. Si Malabona, block and may samang foul. 55 seconds left. 55 seconds left. 12 seconds left.
Random lang ako. Random person.
Jumar, and Saki, Timo, 2019. 2019. Good ball. Steal by Flores to Inalisan. 34 seconds left. Inalisan. Pass to Flores. 13 seconds to shoot. Lagi, Timo Pan. Javier. To Flores. Lagi pa rin. To Pineda. 18 seconds left. Steal by Inalisan. 14 seconds left. Shot lang ko. 10
Seconds.
seconds.
9,
8,
7,
7,
6,
4
5,
seconds.
4,
2,
1.